Today we'll talk about a potential environmental disaster that could wipe out 2 lakh livelihoods and endanger millions of species. This ship is anchored around 8.8 kilometers off the coast of Al Hudaydah Governorate in Yemen and contains an estimated 1.14 million barrels of oil. The operations of the tanker were suspended in 2015 because of the conflict between Houthi rebels and a pro-government coalition in Yemen. Observers are worried for years that the ship could crack or explode. It is also possible that the vital navigation traffic through the Bab al-Mandeb Strait to the Suez Canal could be disrupted for a long time, which will cause billions of dollars in losses per day. If the vessel were to break apart with the oil on board, the disaster could cost around $20 billion to clean up. The oil spill could reach the shores of countries like Saudi Arabia and Somalia. Desalination plants on the Red Sea coast could also be shut down, cutting off fresh water sources for millions of people. Yemen's Houthi rebels, who control the area of Yemen's coast, previously prevented any operation from taking place, but finally agreed in March to allow for the oil to be offloaded. UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres said that in the absence of anyone else willing or able to perform this task, the United Nations stepped up and assumed the risk to conduct this very delicate operation. UN member states that the private sector and the public have so far crowdfunded $121 million in contributions and pledges. The government of Yemen also supported the initiative with a $5 million donation last year, and this operation has already been started on 25th July. The oil will be transferred into a replacement vessel in a ship-to-ship transfer that is expected to last 19 days.